So coming to the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, what is it? The plants make their own food by photosynthesis. It is a process by which autotrophs prepare their own food by utilizing carbon dioxide, water and presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, and they are the produce two types. What is that? Food materials and oxygen. These two are they are using food materials, carbohydrates and glucose. And we can write another way. Plants, okay, first of all, photosynthesis. Photo means what? First we have to remember, okay. And then photo, clearly I am going to explain that about that. Photo means what is that? Light. Photo means that is I have to remember, okay. Photo means that is the light, okay. And synthesize means, okay, synthesis means putting together with light. Synthesis means putting together with light, okay. That is the meaning of photosynthesis. Photo means what? Light, and synthesis means putting together with light, okay. And then what is that? We can write about that photosynthesis. What is that? Photosynthesis. And so yeah, so we know that before the autotrophic nutrition, what is that? Organisms which are capable of synthesize their own food with the help of the sunlight, water and gases from air, okay, and they make their own food, okay, and they are capable of producing complex compound like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids from this very simple substance. And we know plants are known as universal producers. Remember, plants are called universal producers, and plants synthesize their food by process is known as photosynthesis. What is that? Photosynthesis means what? We can write like that also. What is that? Plants are, or you can write plants synthesize their food by the process known as photosynthesis. What is that? Plants synthesize their food by process known as photosynthesis, okay. And we can write that is photosynthesis is the present process by which green pigment, okay. I am writing other points about the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, okay, is the process by which green pigment and chlorophyll build complex organic molecule from simple inorganic one using sunlight as an energy source. Result: photosynthesis is the process by which green pigment, chlorophyll, and complex organic molecules from simple inorganic one using sunlight as an energy source. Okay, energy source. Coming to the C.B. Van Neel, according to the scientist. Okay, C.B. Van Neel in 1931 formulated equation for each molecule of carbohydrate formed and one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen is produced. What is saying? C.B. Van Neel in 1931 formulated equation for each molecule of carbohydrates formed on one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen is produced. Okay, according to C.B. Van Neel. Okay, what is the formula? C carbon dioxide, okay, one molecule of carbohydrates plus, okay, two molecule of hydrogen water and presence of sunlight, presence of sunlight. Okay, sunlight and chlorophyll, okay, produce the, what is that, CH2O plus water, H2O plus oxygen. Okay, one molecule of CH2O plus one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen producing. Clear? So this is the formula for C. Okay, what is this? Carbohydrates. What is this? CH2O is carbohydrates. Carbon dioxide plus water with the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll producing carbohydrates and water and oxygen. Okay, and more points. Another point about the C.B. Van. Plants are autotrophic capable of